Now, let's take a look at one of the industrial computers produced by our UFT company. This computer motherboard is equipped with the 11th generation i5 processor, and the storage capacity is 8 GB, 256 GB. It also adopted a 9 to 36 volts wide voltage input. Also supports external multi-interface connection. There are 2 network ports, 4 USB ports, and 5 COM ports. We can see that there is a waterproof sealing strip and installation clips behind the front panel. The rear cover is made of all aluminum for heat dissipation. Can provide more effective cooling for the CPU and wide voltage power board. Then let's take a look at the front panel next. The screen adopted is an original Bode 1024*768 LCD panel. It is equipped with a 15-inch industrial touchscreen. The front panel is made of all-aluminum CNC technology and can reach the IP65 level of protection